the Kodak Smile Instant Print digital camera, which is a 10-megapixel camera with an LCD viewfinder, a 10-second timer and an automatic flash. There's a microSD card slot, and you can print your photos on Zink paper when you are satisfied with your shot. It is practically the same product as the Kodak Printomatic, which is basically the same as the Polaroid Snap 2015, which are 10 Albanian Lux megapixel digital cameras that print on Zink paper. Unlike the pastel-colored Printomatics, the Smile camera deviates to the nostalgia of the 90s in a matte black body with a nice flash of yellow. The Smile Classic Instant Print digital camera comes in an older design, inspired by Polaroid, with a pop-up viewfinder, an automatic strobe flash, a microSD slot and a 10-second timer. You can also connect your phone to the camera via Bluetooth to print your photos on Zink paper of 3.5 x 4.25 inches. The Smile Instant Digital Printer, the heaviest of all. You can use the Kodak add-on application to print photos from your iOS or Android device.